Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so you avoid wasted steps. Check the game server status and install any pending updates. This prevents version mismatches. Once done, restart your phone and router to clear transient network issues. Make sure you have 1 to 2 gigabytes free. Low storage can break authentication. Then clear the Codm mobile cache in settings to remove corrupted temp files. These initial actions resolve most timeout causes and prepare you for deeper network fixes. Now focus on the network and account layer because timeouts often stem from routing or auth failures. Change your DNS to 8, 8, 8, 8 or 1, 1, 1, 1 to bypass ISP DNS glitches. This usually lowers lookup delays. Disable VPNs, firewalls, or proxies temporarily since they can block game authentication. Then force stop the app, clear its background tasks, and re-authenticate by logging out and back in. This forces fresh tokens. Make sure your account provider is reachable, so finish by reinstalling the game only if earlier steps fail, and back up your progress first so you don't lose progress. Once reinstalled, test login on an alternate network or another device to determine whether the problem is local or account/server side. If timeouts persist, gather logs and error timestamps, then contact support with that info to speed diagnosis. One key tip: if logins time out only during peak hours, it's often a server load issue. Try again during off-peak times.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.